What's going on, Mr. Dave here? And we're doing a little bit of a cream coat, structural coat with the pump grade mortar mix kind of thing. Yeah, so we're going to be putting that on. We have been doing a lot of work. This is a horizontal video. Remember that thing was rebar going every which way? Well, that's covered up with a mix of mortar and concrete, 4,000 psi. We've now filled in a lot of the stuff, concrete on top to lock in that global part of these rocks that is pretty strong, even though the rebar is exposed. And we have a really cool reflection off the giant window on the house. And the sun is going down, but we're going to be hand applying a nice mortar mix in here. That's that pump grade I like. Again, it's got fiberglass fibers in it. Really great for full rock texture coats. We really love it. You can see we're going to kind of do the same procedure over there where the where the waterfall stream starts, a 2-inch valve, if you can see it, or pipe there. Yeah, so you can see these rocks, they just collapse. You don't put your steel inside the concrete, or with these guys, they never even use concrete, they use mortar mix. So we're having to repair this whole thing. We've got the pool emptied out today, and we're going to leave that panel right there for the controller guy to come in and put a new controller in there. And so we now have the pool empty. Yay! So it's Memorial Day weekend. God bless our soldiers and their families. We say hallelujah to America. God bless this great land, and I pray you have a good weekend this weekend, and Memorial Day weekend here in 2025. We're coming alive, making rocks as we always do. All right, so remember to be thankful and forgiving in all things, and you will be a happy, better person. Gratitude and forgiveness, the two key elements to a happy life. Helping others get what they want, need, or desire. Make them happy, folks. Make your customers happy. All right, and your boss, if you got a boss. In the meantime, be ready for Jesus. He's coming back. He's coming back soon, so you want to be ready. Get him in your heart. He'll clean you up, and he'll take you home. And he's knocking on the door, as they say. All the prophecies have been fulfilled. So he's on his march. He's coming around the bend pretty quick here. Get ready. All right. Have a great day no matter what. And we'll see you in the next video update. Whatever the hell they're called. All right. Remember to be thankful. All right. I said that. Have a good one. Bye.